Welcome to Thailand, a destination known for its stunning landscapes, mouth-watering food, and rich culture. And guess what? I managed to explore it all for under $500. In today's video, I'll share exactly how I did it, from finding cheap flights to free activities and budget accommodations. Ready to unlock the secrets of affordable travel? Let's go. The first step to any budget trip is finding cheap flights. I use tools like Google Flights and Skyscanner to set price alerts. Here's the trick. Travel during the shoulder season, like May or September, when tickets are much cheaper. I found a round-trip ticket from Los Angeles to Bangkok for just $320 by booking 3 months in advance and being flexible with my travel dates. Pro tip: consider connecting flights instead of direct ones to save even more. Next up, accommodations. Thailand is incredibly budget-friendly, with options ranging from hostels to guest houses and affordable Airbnbs. I stayed at Matchbox in Bangkok for just $8 a night in a clean, air-conditioned dorm. In Chiang Mai, I found a private room at a guest house for $15 a night. For a beach getaway, I used Agoda to book a beachfront bungalow in Krabi for $20 per night. That's under $100 for a week of accommodations. Always read reviews to make sure you're getting great value for the price. Now let's talk about things to do. Thailand is full of incredible experiences that won't break the bank. In Bangkok, I visited the Grand Palace in Wat Pho for $10, but many temples, like Wat Arun, are free or cost just a few dollars. In Chiang Mai, I joined a free walking tour to explore the old city's historic temples and markets. For nature lovers, I hiked the Dragon Crest Mountain Trail in Krabi for free and was rewarded with breathtaking views. And of course, beach days are completely free. Relaxing at Railay Beach or Ao Nang costs nothing except a small boat ride fee if needed. Thai street food is not only delicious but also super affordable. Skip the fancy restaurants and eat like a local. A plate of pad Thai or a bowl of tom yum soup costs just $1.50 at most street stalls. Fresh fruit smoothies are only $1 and mango sticky rice is a must-try dessert for $2. For breakfast, I grabbed a Thai omelet with rice for under $1. I spent less than $10 a day on food and enjoyed every bite. Street food is the way to go if you're on a budget. Getting around Thailand is affordable and easy if you know how. In Bangkok, I used the BTS SkyTrain for just 50 cents per ride and avoided pricey taxis. For longer distances, I took overnight buses and trains like the sleeper train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai for $20. In the islands, I rented a motorbike for $5 a day to explore beaches and hidden spots. By sticking to public transport and motorbikes, I saved a ton while experiencing the local way of life. And that's how I traveled to Thailand for under $500. Cheap flights, budget stays, local eats, and free activities made it all possible. Have you traveled to Thailand on a budget? Share your tips and favorite spots in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more budget travel adventures. See you in the next video.